Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you the process of setting up Bing Webmaster Tools for your blog or website. So let's get started. Bing is among the top search engines in the world. Submitting your site to its Webmaster tool helps you monitor your site's performance and keyword rankings and fix indexing issues. You can find out which keywords people use to find your site so you can optimize those search terms in the content and get more traffic. First of all, go to your Google and type Bing Webmaster Tool and click on this website and then sign in. Click Google and select the email ID. As you can see, you can simply import your site from Google Search Console. Just click on this, and to that you should have the same Gmail email ID for which from which you have created your Google Search Console. Now in this video I will show you how to add your site manually. Go to your blog site and copy the URL and paste here and click on add. Here we can verify your website using the three methods. In this video I will show you how to add this by using HTML meta tag. And here what is saying, does copy and paste the meta tag into your site's homepage, and it should go in the head section and before the first body section. First, and then copy this code, meta code, HTML meta tag. Go to your Blogger dashboard and click on theme, and here click on edit HTML, and here you can see the head section, and it is here starting head section. Here it is, and this head section you can paste here. You paste the code and then click on save. It is processing, and as you can see, it update is successful. And then refresh this page and go to Webmaster Tool and hit click on verify. As you can see, congrats, site addition is successful, done. In this way you can set up your Webmaster Tool. Here section is home page. Here is search performance, and we have to wait for 48 hours to see our data for our site. And here URL inspection, you can inspect the, just like URL inspection Google Search Console, you can inspect any URL and see the status of that blog post or page, whether it is indexed or call or not. You can just check here. Just click on inspect. You can getting status on Bing index. Yes. And this way it is showing that it is not appear on Bing. We can refresh indexing here, and here in this section site explorer. It is all about your links. Data will be available, and here sitemaps. You can submit the sitemap here. To submit your sitemap, just click on this, and as you can see here, just your site URL slash sitemap.xml. As you can see, copy your site URL and paste here slash sitemap xml. Type sitemap.xml and click on submit. As you can see, it is submitted and it is in status is processing. Also, you can update your profile here. That way we have submitted, and also URL submissions. In this section, you can submit URLs for indexing in Bing search engine. For that, copy your URLs. In this section, URL submission, you can submit URLs. As you can see, there is a quota for one today is 100 URLs. Up to 100 URLs you can submit, and you can submit your URLs for to index in search engine in Bing search engine. Just copy and paste your URLs and click on submit. As you can see, URLs are submitted. In the and also some other section is a SEO section is there. You can see how many backlinks and keyword research, and also SEO reports and site scans. These are the features of the Webmaster Tools. In this way, you can set up Bing Webmaster Tools for your blogger. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Take care. Bye.